Hello, my August sub box from Simply Gilded has just arrived. Here it is here, Lavender Fields. I don't know if all the boxes were like this, but I thought that was actually in the centre of the box. Because of course I want to use the box to make the traveller's notebooks, which I've been making with the boxes. So I did expect this to be in the centre. The box is absolutely bulging with goodies, so let's have a look. This is the usual postcard, which has a list of everything that's in the box. The washi's in there, so we'll start with the other things. So there are these foiled stickers. A cute fabric bow. That backing looks so nice. There we go. It's cute. There's a pocket-sized traveller's notebook insert. Which is blank. Oh, cute, cute, cute. A cute juniper bunny magnet. Adhesive pockets, which are fantastic. Really useful, a huge size. You can even fit the pocket-sized notebook inside the adhesive pocket. If you've got a larger planner, that could be an option. And some notes, a notepad. So a good sized number of pages in the notepad. And really nice rose gold bow at the top, and then rose gold foiled with a list of 10. That's sweet. And the journaling card, reading is magic. That's very nice. So there's all these incredible goodies, and then there's the pouch, Simply Gilded. Rose gold hardware, and it's designed to sit up like so, and inside is all the glorious washi. These are the books with rose gold foil. It's also got rose gold, and then the lavender, which I think she called dried lavender, with rose gold bows. Very pretty. So that's the contents of the August sub box. Really super pleased with it. All the rolls of washi are very, very nice. This card is amazing. Need to see that one in real life. The magnet's so cute, and the other items are also lovely to have. So this was a fantastic month, and the month of September from the sneak peeks is looking even more amazing.